치즈. 아빠 치즈.
알았어. 가서 먹어요. 아니야. 아빠 배불러. 티처 엘라 어떻게 해줘? You forgive her or not? give one more chance? 왜 와이파이가 없어?
없어요, sir.
없네. 왜 그래?
Sometimes like that.
Didn't pay?
Oy, oh my God.
어떻게 하기로 했어?
Not yet arrived, man.
Hi Andrea, 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
So, what are you doing today, little girl? Ano sa man mong gibuhat? Nag-times ka? Nag-multiplication? Wow, ka very good. 2 times 8.
16.
Very good. So, you don't have class today? Wala kay klase? Nga naman? Nga naman? It's holiday, right? Okay, so, today, 피노키오님 gave you 1 box of 뿌또치즈. So, that is from 피노키오님.
피노키오님 감사합니다.
And also 500 pesos as your allowance.
피노키오님 감사합니다.
Okay, bye-bye. Studying multiplication ha. Bye-bye, Andrea. Annyeonghaseyo, Teacher Nisan. So what are you doing today? It's holiday.
So I'm just staying at home, and then later on we'll be having practice with my students.
Okay, so today 피노키오님 gave 5 boxes of 뿌또치즈 for your study room.
피노키오님 감사합니다 for
And-
the cheese.
And also 500 pesos for the drinks.
피노키오님 감사합니다 for the drinks and for the cheese.
Okay, enjoy your 뿌또치즈 party. Afternoon ate.
Good afternoon.
So you are selling unsa man, mga unsa man gipamaligya ti?
Tempura,
Tempura,
siomay,
siomay.
hotdog.
Okay. So, kumusta man yung business? How about the income? Okay ka?
Ginagmay.
So, today, ate, 홍금만님 gave you 2 boxes of 뿌또치즈. That is from 홍금만님.
Thank you, gumanim.
감사합니다, 홍금만님.
감사합니다.
Bye-bye, ate.
Bye.
안녕하세요, Jillian. So, can you introduce yourself?
안녕하세요. 저는 15살 고등학교 1학년 질란입니다. 감사합니다.
So, today, 김병용님 give you fruits. That is worth of 500 pesos.
Uncle Kim Jong-young님, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
And also, 300 pesos for your pocket money allowance.
Uncle Kim Jong-young님, 감사합니다.
So, bye-bye, Jillian. 안녕하세요, Shane.
안녕하세요.
So, today, your sponsor, who is your sponsor?
Uncle 하늘사랑님.
Okay, Uncle Hanersarangn님. Uncle Hanersarangn님 gave you 1 box of 뿌또치즈 and also 500 pesos allowance. So, that is from your beloved sponsor.
Uncle 하늘사랑님, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
감사합니다. Bye-bye, Shane. 안녕하세요, lovely. Good afternoon. So, today, can you guess who is the sponsor who gave you these fruits? Ogamdonim. Okay, that is from Ogamdonim fruits. That is worth of 500 pesos.
오감도님 감사합니다.
Me, good afternoon. So, how are you? Kumusta man ka? Okay, kaka. So, today, bawalutannim gave you 1 box of 뿌또치즈 and also 1,000 pesos for your allowance. So, that is from bawalutannim.
바왈우땅님, 감사합니다.
Kamsahamnida, bawalutannim. Bye-bye. Afternoon, Ate Mary Joy. So, what is your relationship with the mother of Shane?
kapatid, soon.
Sister? Okay, so you're the aunt of Shane, right? So, 독수리님 gave you 1 box of 뿌또치즈 and also milk. Okay, that is from 독수리님.
감사합니다.
감사합니다, 독수리님. Bye-bye, te.
Bye.
Kisa kayo naghatag sa 뿌또치즈?
막탄 와이프 channel 감사합니다.
Lami?
라메.
Lami kayo?
라메.
Lami, Queen. Ulaw-ulaw. Queen. Queen. Uy. Sige. Busog? Busog. Sure.
Yes.
Busog kayo.
라메.
Ikaw, Queen. Nabusog ka, Queen? Queen!
무슨 이거 못해.
Naulaw na siya. Okay, so... Bye-bye!
바이바이.
Kamsahamnida!
감사합니다.
Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, teacher Nisan.
Alright, so that 뿌또치즈 and drinks is given by 피노키오님.
피노키오님 안녕하세요. 감사합니다. 바이바이.
Alright, so get your drinks, opinion drinks, and then get some 뿌또치즈. Sige na. Pagkuha na mo 뿌또치즈. Pagkuha na 뿌또치즈. Ella, saan 뿌또치즈? Ikaw 뿌또치즈. Lamin na kasi ma'am nagbuhat na. Ngayon ba yung 뿌또치즈, diba?
Kaya, uy.
Get your drinks. Padili mahuwad. So, these are the 뿌또치즈. 5 boxes sa 뿌또치즈. Colorful lagi yung 뿌또치즈 or ang sulanan lang? Sulanan lang. Hindi.
Oh, balik. Ito mo. Hindi na ako kumakita na ay. Sumo ka ila?
Annyeonghaseyo to all the sponsors, subscribers, and followers of Maktan Wife channel, and especially to the Maktan Wife channel who support our study room here in Cabatuan area. So today's video, this is the 3rd days of constructing our study room. Okay, so the roof is already finished, and then already finished putting the hollow blocks. Nice. And then thank you so much Maktan Wife channel for this opportunity to build our study room here, and 감사합니다.
Annyeonghaseyo!
안녕하세요.
So today we received 4 pack of 뿌또치즈 from 말달리자님.
말달리자님 감사합니다.
Dara.
Sila na yung maligay.
Ato mga bata, lalinday! Sugo! Asik kuan!
Ulit. Ikaw ay. Ay, pwede lang.
Annyeonghaseyo. Okay, so I'm Teacher Jen. Okay, so you are Loremel's mother, no? So earlier gikan ko kang Sir Vicky, then this 6,000 is from 홍금만님. Please receive and please count. Okay. So, 홍금만님.
홍금만님, 감사합니다. Vicky, 감사합니다.
Kamsahamnida. Okay, so Te, you were absent atong pagka Martes.
Yes.
So, Tuesday, Wednesday, and today is Thursday. So, 3 days na nga absent ka. Okay, so you were absent because of nga sakit imong eyes. She was absent 3 days already because she's eyes is painful. Then, this is the eye that has been operated or tanaw diri pikaste. So not all the pterygium has gone, but the pterygium has lessened there. So it is still on process na maayos siya, no? So okay ra, sige lang kay anyway, if it's no longer painful, then it's no longer red, then if you think or if you feel that it's already okay na, so we will go on with the another operation. So that 6,000 will be an additional to the money for your eye surgery. And since you are 3 days absent, so you can get some of your expenses on that money. So, kuhaon ni mo imong kuan kapalitan. Mga bata, walay kuan, bound sa school, or wala mo kanang para palit og sudan. Ana, so, pwede na nimo siyang kuanan. Then, the rest, we are going to add it to our check-up and on eye surgery next time. Okay? So, thank you. So, okay. Kamsahamnida. So, okay na ta mo. Proceed na ta sa next eye pohon kung ma-okay na ka. Okay. So, thank you so much. Te. Bye-bye.
Sir Vicky, 홍금만님, Morrisonin, and Ogamdonim to all sponsors.
To all the sponsor. Kamsahamnida. Bye-bye.